Hi friend, how are you? I hope you are quite well. Today I have some background part 2 and I have part 1 is already uploaded. You see here business office or etc. I know you have downloaded, or you see here banner backgrounds bundle get free for digital marketing, business office work, business and technology, collection of people typing on computer etc. And here is part 1 and here is part 2, so you can download easily today, and I show you how to edit or use, but you can use in your own work for your website, banner, poster or etc. Anywhere you can use. So first I show you collection of business consulting, friendship, presentation, collegium, businessman, and second folder is a collection of business lunch meeting, businessman. So and the third folder is collection of business planning, strategy, success, businessman, notebook, etc. related, CEO related. So I show you first folder, collection of business consulting. You see here is 25 backgrounds or photos. Zoom. You see here quality of background. Next you see there the original photo here and meeting there, announcement. You see here the quality of image and focusing there. You write on your image, you adjust here, just click on magic tool, select a white area, and then you replaced here any your poster or your advertising etc. So sorry, first change color, fill color black, enter, and then you see here opacity is on 60%, 62. Okay, you write here anything for your edit or your title, www sherisk.com. etc if you want anything or any like. So I show you one poster file open there. I have already uploaded this file that you can download on my website, or you search in my YouTube channel. So drag here. Wow. Okay, enter. Control Shift E and then Control S for saving. You see here the look of image. Wow, brilliant. You can use, and you see here in background color, and you double click here for unlock, make a new layer, and then you insert new image of technology related or anything you I think drag. Okay, drag here and adjust. Okay, right click, create clipping mask, and then use down opacity, and you see there here. Okay, and I will try to one more templates 30. Okay, and you see here, double click here and import new image of about food or burger, etc if you want. I just create for a sample. Adjust here and okay. Right, Control S, saving, and you see here for more changing you can add this. Control S, and you see here, write your anything if you want, or your business related, your detail or your title, etc. And one option is just last picture. I know you have no time for watching my video because you watch for just password, I know, so don't worry. You create clear and sorry failed. Right here, opacity is tea time, compare, or etc if you want your title. I hope this data is useful for you, so take care, God bless, and Allah Hafiz.